Hi, sixth graders. Day 4 this week is calculating products of decimals. So calculating the answer of multiplication problems with decimals. So let's look at our first problem. A common way to find a product of decimals is to calculate a product of whole numbers and then replace the decimal point. So if the problem is 2 and 5/10 times 1 and 2/10, we can calculate that as 25 times 12. 2 times 5 is 10, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Hold your place. 1 times 5 is 5, and 1 times 2 is 2. We add it together, and we get that 25 times 12 is 300. Well, if we look at that instead as 2 and 5/10 times 1 and 2/10, we actually get an answer of 3. Remember, we see 2 places past the decimal, so we bring our decimal in 2 places. Pause the video here and try the next 2 problems on your own. Then come back and we'll go through the answers to those together. Welcome back. Let's talk about the answers we got for these 2 problems. First, I rewrote them on the whiteboard. Problem number 1 was 4 and 6/10 times 9/10. So I rewrote that as whole numbers, which would be 46 times 9. 9 times 6 is 54. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 5 is 41. So 46 times 9 is 414. If we do that as 4 and 6/10 times 9/10, we know that we have 2 places past the decimal, so we bring it in 2 places here. So our answer is 4 and 14/100. Next, we have 16 and 5/10 times 7/10, or as whole numbers, that would be 165 times 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 3 is 45. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 4 is 11. So the answer there is 1,155. If we used 16 and 5/10 times 7/10, we would get the same digits. And here we have 2 places past the decimal, so we bring it in 2 places for an answer of 11 and 55/100. Hopefully you got those correct.